Afternoon. What's she eating? She's eating something. Anyway, I've done here a few times. Thought I'd come and give it another quick go before they plough it. All the muck's over there ready to be ploughed in. And then next year apparently the cricket club next door are going to purchase the field, so need to get it done. Anyway, I come across this. I thought I'd done it quite thoroughly, but I don't know what the heck that is. That is unusual. I'll have to clean that up later and have a closer inspection. No idea what that is. Anyway, yeah, I found a 2p up there, and that's it so far. So we'll give it a go and catch it later if we find anything. Bye for now. Right, well, would you believe it? I'm after hammered coins and I get £1. Bloody hell. Yeah, I found a hammered jetton over that side. Probably Henry the 7th or 8th, I believe, if I remember rightly. So yeah, £1 coin, can't be bad. Second one in a couple of weeks, I think. Okay, catch you in a bit. Right, back again. You know when you say you've done somewhere thoroughly, you ain't. I mean, how have I missed that last time? Nice pewter button, pattern on it, big. Thoroughly I did round here. Well, I thought I did anyway. I hope Dee's having a kick. What are you having a kick at? So how on earth? You've just got to walk over them. Anyway, we'll carry on. See you in a bit. And a 20p. 20p. I'll be catching you up, Paul, before long, so watch it. Yeah, I think this is there's a housing estate just there. I think probably people walking the dogs and things. A lot of rubbish, but you've got to dig the rubbish to find the good stuff. Steve's down there, look. Focus. So we'll carry on. See you in a bit. Next one, big musket ball. Missed that one obviously. Now, my batteries have just gone flat. I called to get some, but everywhere's shut today obviously, so I'm going to struggle in a few minutes. I think I might have some in the car, so I shall have to go and have a look if I've got any. So if not, that'll be it. And if I have, I'll be back. Catch you in a bit. Next one, a button with a flat battery. Just a plain one. Still on the way back to the car to get some batteries. That's one I've missed last time. Okay, catch you later. Steve, are you in the doghouse? She's just had a growling session with another dog, a little brown dog, like a Dennis. Yes, and she's been told off. Diva, sit. Sit. Right. You sit. Now you behave. She's naughty. Been naughty today. You're not coming again if you're going to be naughty. Right, I thought I'd find an hammered then, but it's a button, but it certainly looks like a little hammered. Until I turned it over and it was a button. Never mind, they're on here somewhere. Some more people coming out. You behave yourself. You're going to behave yourself, Steve. Now you wait. Right, catch you in a bit. Well, that's a good chunk of copper. pipe. That's going in me box for scrap. It wasn't even buried. Right, see you in a bit. Good evening everybody, welcome to the roundup. First of all, that's my wife's painting, or half painting that she's doing. Hello. A couple more over there, look. What are you laughing at? Yeah, she's not bad, is she? Right, roundup. Not much. A few bits of rubbish there. Not even going to clean them. One or two bits and pieces here. £1.22 in spendies. There. A nice button. No writing on it though. Big musket ball. Same as yours, Paul. Yeah. Another button which I thought was a hammered coin when it first come out, until I saw the back. And then there's this thing here. I've got it home, had a closer, where's the light? Closer look, and it's like got a hinge there. It's bronze, I think. Got like a hook on one end, little bit of detail there, pattern. So obviously I had two of those, whatever they are, if somebody will let me know. But it was found about probably about 5 foot away from where I got this old razor. Maybe it's something to do with that, I don't know. It's an old 40s, 50s razor, that is. That was quite nice at the time. So that's it really, not a lot to show for it today. That's about your lot there. So we'll might get out tomorrow or the next day and see if we can do a little bit better. So happy hunting everybody. Ah, here she is. Been told off today, haven't you? Hey? Got a tail between her legs. Oh no, she hasn't. Alright then, catch you again. Bye for now.